Alright, so prospect 21. Ooh, boom, chasing. Skill Henry Lillane. It's a Blue Wave auto. Oh, for the H spot, Salika. So 52 is 75. Oh, Rentaro ping, Chase Burns, color match red. So 299. So booba. So purple Brooks Lee, 99. Noah Schultz prepping for the pros red. So 199. Type P. So Brady Ebel, nice. A good name. Blue chips on card. So for the B spot, Alika. Oops. So Walt Schmidt, Stevenson. Matt Shaw, color match blue. So 199. To Kemp Alderman. So purple auto. It's a 125. Jonathan Santucci. So red. Also Mizorowski domination. Miz rookie. Spencer Jones teal. So 49. I always flip one over. So Simpson, Cade Obermueller. So 199. So red ink. Wahiwa Aloy. So hollow. I have Roman Anthony domination. Earl Willis. Miles Naylor. Right. So prospect 21. Next one is live. No kaboom dropping yet. So jumping in, y'all.